I'm Sasan Sane, and this is my CS50 final project called Viking Typewriter Artist. It's a Python program that converts an image into a jumble of alphanumeric characters which, when viewed from a distance, resemble the image. For example, here's how an image of a tree might look. And here's a self-portrait. I chose this project to practice Python programming, image manipulation, and creating PDFs. It's inspired by a childhood trip to a fair where we got our family picture taken and printed as letters and numbers on a dot matrix printer in the early 1980s. The goal of the project is to demonstrate my ability to parse command line arguments, perform error checking, read and manipulate image pixel data, apply image manipulations like contrast and saturation adjustments, output color text to the terminal, and create a well-formatted PDF with customized character placement and colors. The program's name, Viking, is inspired by the electric typewriter my dad bought me when I was 10 years old. The program supports various command line arguments that allow you to customize the output. You can specify the image file, block size, contrast, whether you want color or black and white output, and more. So here's an example. And in my software, I used the Pillow library to handle images, NumPy for array manipulation, and FPDF for generating the PDF output. The image itself is divided into blocks of pixels, and each block is assigned a text character. The block size influences the resolution. Smaller blocks yield higher resolution output, while larger blocks create a more abstract version. You can adjust contrast, saturation, and even apply a white clip to ensure that bright areas become pure white. Now, to make the output visually accurate, I sorted characters based on their visual weight or brightness. So, for example, heavier characters, like the number sign and the @ symbol, represent darker parts of the image, and lighter characters like dots and spaces represent brighter areas. This sorting process ensures that the text representation captures the image's tone, and I did write a separate Python program to read through a bitmap representation of the character string to measure their average brightness of each character, and then sorted the output from there. There are a few known limitations with the program. It only supports RGB and grayscale images, so you can't use palette or RGBA images, and the font selection is limited to Courier, Arial, and Times. Additionally, the resizing of the image to fit the block dimensions could cause a slight distortion or alteration of the aspect ratio, but this should not be too significant. Looking ahead, I plan to enhance the program by creating an online interface where users can upload images, adjust settings, and download the PDF directly from their browser, and this would make the tool more accessible and user-friendly. That's the Viking Typewriter Artist. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing how an image can come to life through the power of text.